Now, the U.S. Supreme Court has upheld a judge's order requiring Donald Trump's administration to facilitate the return of Salvadoran man who was deported by error to El Salvador. Last week, U.S. District Judge Paula Shines issued an order for the administration to facilitate and effectuate the return of Kilma Abrego Garcia in response to a lawsuit that was filed by the man and his family, challenging the legality of his deportation. The Supreme Court, in an unsigned decision, has said that the judge's order requires the government to facilitate Abrego Garcia's release from custody in El Salvador and to ensure that his case is handled as it would have been had he not been improperly sent to El Salvador. However, the court has said that the additional requirement to effectuate his return is unclear and may exceed the judge's authority. The court has directed the judge to clarify the directive. The administration, meanwhile, has been directed to be prepared to share the steps it has taken and the prospects of further steps. Abrego Garcia is a Salvadoran migrant who was living in Maryland and had a work permit since 2019. He was stopped and detained by U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement and was deported on the 15th of March on one of 3 high-profile deportation flights to El Salvador that also included alleged Venezuelan gang members. Justice Department lawyers had argued that the judge's order had impermissibly encroached on presidential authority on foreign relations, in violation of U.S. Constitution separation of powers between its judicial and executive branches. The Supreme Court has a 6-3 conservative majority. Its 3 liberal justices have issued a statement agreeing with the court's decision, but said that they would have denied the administration's request outright. For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.